Kinderwelt is a charity center that gives free psychological help to children who suffered because of the war. We help them heal with our special method, Rafa the Giraffe. During the session, psychologists use a soft toy giraffe that becomes a true friend for every child. Rafa helps kids talk about their feelings, calm down, and believe in themselves again. Through art, drawing, and play, children slowly let go of fear, sadness, and anxiety. Step by step, they learn to smile, dream, and live a normal, happy life. Our centers work in Odessa, Kiev, Kharkov, Kropivnitsky, and Mykolaiv. There, every child can find care, warmth, and support.